Yes, in this video I am going to start with the functions of female reproductive system. Female reproductive system, as you have seen many parts. So what are the major functions of a female reproductive system? One by one we'll discuss now, right? The functions of female reproductive system. The first function is, so female reproductive system mainly consisting of ovaries, the primary sex organs. Primary sex organs, as you know, they help in production of ovum or egg cell itself, right? So this is the first function of the female reproductive system. Ovaries help in production of egg cell or ovum, right? Ovum during oogenesis, especially the process is said to be as oogenesis, right? That take place over here. And the second function itself is, uterus is also major part of the female reproductive system that help in many functions. Of course, menstrual cycle is one of the functions, right? So uterus help in menstrual cycle. So due to this cyclical changes only, what happens every month? So there the unfertilized secondary oocyte that passes out and a new secondary oocyte is produced over here every month. This is menstrual cycle. Next one is, so what is the next one here? Fertilization take place. Fertilization is also one of the major function which is done within what it is being done? Within the fallopian tubes. Fallopian tubes are also the major parts of a female reproductive system. And the next one is, uterus itself is womb of the mother. Uterus is called as womb of the mother, where so the implantation is one of the important process that take place. That is nothing but the attachment of the blastocyst to the wall of the endometrium, right? Already I have explained this one in the first class only, right? So implantation occurs. Implantation, this is nothing but attachment of blastocyst to endometrium. So you are going to learn about this one in the next coming classes. I will explain this one. This is also one of the important function of what? So function of the female reproductive system. Okay, and the next one. What is the next one? So as I said, it is the womb of the mother. Uterus is the womb of the mother. In the womb, there the development of the fetus or the embryo that takes place continuously until it becomes a fully developed baby itself, right? And all these processes, developmental processes, all together said to be as a prenatal development, it is called as, right? That is also very important one. In uterus, prenatal development takes place. Okay, so this is also very important. Pre means before, natal stands for birth. Before the birth of the baby, whatever the development that takes place in the uterus, which is called as womb of the mother, right? This is also one more function. Next one is, what is the next one? Vagina is also one of the part of the female reproductive system which help in receiving the seminal fluid during the sexual intercourse, right? Vagina It's a copulatory organ. It's a copulatory organ, so which help in receiving the seminal fluid. Seminal fluid. So that seminal fluid itself is called as semen, right? So during sexual intercourse or copulation. During copulation. This is also one more point to be noted. And the next one, the birth of the baby that take place. So from the womb of the mother, right? That is called as parturition, right? Seventh function is parturition. Parturition is nothing but it is ejection of developed baby from the womb of mother. From the womb of the mother is called as parturition. Is the next function. Next function is very important one, lactation. What is that? Lactation. Lactation is nothing but production of milk from mammary glands of the female. Right? This is also one more function. All these are the major functions of what? Major functions of the female reproductive system itself. So these are also very important one to be remembered. Okay.